this tutorial, we are going to show you how to update your firmware for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series. This will be done via the printer control panel. So let's head over to the control panel. Select Menu. Scroll until you see Tools. Select that. Select Maintenance. You can see there's a firmware option. Select that. There is a new firmware available. Let's select Update. Let's continue. The firmware update is complete. So this is how you check for firmware updates and update the firmware for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series.